Okay, I've run the coffin puller for a while and noticed a couple issues I was having where it was hanging up. One of them was underneath right here. It would get to where it would rub these little pieces of wood that stick down. So what I did to stop that was gave it some support underneath with a little metal angle bracket. I bent it and curved the tip of it so it couldn't snag, and attached a little piece of wood for it to run against right here. And I just added a little bit of silicone grease to the bottom of it to make sure it ran smooth. And I painted it to match the coffin. So now it's supported, and the weight of the second skeleton can't push it down to where it starts rubbing again right there. The other issue I was having was with the legs. They would snag the cloth or the cross piece I have inside of the coffin every once in a while. So what I did to solve that problem was added 2 pieces of PVC pipe, just zip tied to the guard I have over the motor, that keep the legs from being able to shift around and bump the wood here or snag the cloth underneath of them, and they just run nice and smooth inside of there, and no chance of them snagging up on anything. So that's the 2 changes I've made since I built this thing, and so far so good. Oh, runs nice, and hopefully it's going to stay running good all Halloween.